Hello everyone, this is Said and welcome to AndrabCodes. I am excited to announce the first course on this channel, Python the Complete Tutorial. The course is designed for everyone from absolute beginners to advanced learners. My goal is to teach Python in such a detailed and practical way that once you complete this course you won't need to look elsewhere to understand the language. We will cover everything that Python has to offer, from the fundamentals to advanced concepts, industry best practices, popular libraries, frameworks, and real world applications. The entire course will be available free of cost on YouTube. New videos will be uploaded every week with one or two lessons released weekly. To make the learning more easier and more structured, I have divided the course into 4 semesters. Semester 1 will be focused on Python basics. We will start from absolute scratch. You will learn the fundamentals, variables, data types, operators, and many beginner-friendly programs and mini projects. In the intermediate semester, we will focus on intermediate level concepts such as collections, file handling, modules, and writing more efficient Python programs. Advanced Python that will be covered in semester 3, we will explore advanced Python topics including object-oriented programming, decorators, generators, multithreading, asynchronous programming, testing, program optimization, and all other advanced concepts. Semester 4 will cover the libraries, frameworks, and the real-world projects. We will learn popular Python libraries and frameworks such as NumPy, Pandas, Flask, Django, OpenCV, TensorFlow to develop industry-level projects. So whether you are a student, beginner, or someone looking to build a career in programming, this course is designed to take you from zero to a confident Python developer. So if you are ready to begin this journey, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications, and let's start learning Python together. Thank you, and I will see you in the first lecture.